have an exciting episode for you today. We're here with Captain Hector and his girlfriend Crystal and Robert, and we're very excited because we are on the epic boat.
That's right.
From Ron Hoover, and we're gonna do a little offshore fishing today and inshore. Hector, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do and what we're gonna do today?
Okay, well, I'm a full-time fishing guide. I'm out of South Padre Island. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go offshore and try to catch some red snapper. Then we're gonna come inside the bay and fish for redfish and trout. So pretty much I do everything. We do a bait fishing, target redfish, trout, flounder, and we're gonna try offshore today. And my brand new boat, I just got this boat a month ago. I love it.
It is, it's awesome.
It's gonna be epic.
The epic boat from Ron Hoover.
How big is it?
It's a 26-foot cat. It comes with a 300 Suzuki. Of course, there's many options you can add to it. I mean, it's a good combination right now. I mean, it's awesome.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it out for you today. So pay close attention to the boat and the big fish we're gonna catch. And we actually have two boats because we're going to
film in one and fish in the other.
We're gonna film in one and fish in the other, and I have a lot of friends with me and a lot of girlfriends, so we're gonna have an awesome day today. And of course, it's Super Bowl day, so we need to hurry up and fish and go see the Super Bowl, right?
That's right. Load up on some fish and get some fish fry going.
Okay, guys, so don't go away. We'll be right back.
Ron Hoover, epic boats, get you some.
Come along with us and enjoy the great outdoors in the state of Texas. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles, brought to you by Lone Star National Bank. The city of South Padre Island, Texas. Ron Hoover RV and Marine Center. Mayak Boats. Jim's Pier. Danny's Pawn Shop, Point Blank Sporting Goods, Pro Valley Foods, and Select Properties. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles. It's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. Okay, Ruben, we're at our place. What are we doing?
We're dropping down, see if we can catch the endangered red snapper. We're fishing in state waters. Limit is 4, gotta be at least 15 inches. That's the plan, Stan.
Waiting for a bite, waiting for a bite.
All right.
Sean, baby. What it is. The good thing about this epic boat, you can come offshore, enjoy snapper trip,
and then go inshore.
And then get your red snapper limit. Then you can go into the bay, catch yourself a red fish limit, trout limit, call it the day. An epic day.
Ooh, look at that. Nice. That's a nice one. And that's how you do it.
All right.
Nice.
Get you some.
Get you some.
Oh, Hector got one. Crystal's hooked up. What is it? Big snapper?
Yes, it is. Look.
Woo! Man, look at that big boy.
You got there, Vicki?
I'm an old lady, remember? I have a snapper.
Good job, Vicki.
Get you some.
Texas outdoor lifestyle. Get you some.
Looks like a red one. Looks like a good red one too. Oh man, that's a bad Texas outdoor lifestyle. Get you some. She just got some. Nice snapper. That's a dandy. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh yes!
Yeah, fish on, baby.
Hector's hooked up again. Woo! Somebody's hooked up, and we have lines. Oh, that's big on.
Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Look at that beauty.
That's a keeper. There we go.
Oh, you got a man.
Oh, actually, I'm probably gonna call her a her, because fish, females are always bigger and meaner. Oh man, my little snapper compared to yours. Oh yeah. Texas outdoor lifestyle, get you some.
Don't go away, we'll be right back after a word from these fine sponsors.
Hi, we're here at Ron Hoover RV and Marine Center, and we're here with Alan and Edna, and we're gonna showcase a few of the really cool campers and everything else that they have here. It's like my Disney World of the outdoor world.
Trust and integrity form the foundation of Lone Star National Bank. With respect, we build strong relationships with our customers. We've seen our cities grow and our communities thrive, working hard to earn the right to serve our customers for generations to come. That is how you build a strong business and how you build a strong bank. For 35 years, Lone Star National Bank, the Valley's Bank.
Welcome back to Texas Outdoor Lifestyles.
Are you hooked up, Robert?
Red snapper. Look at this. Look at this. He's not gonna be a big one, but they sure do make you work for it. But it sure is fun. I think what we're gonna do with him, we're gonna keep him whole and fry him whole.
All right.
Yeah.
Look at you, all light line.
I know.
Giving them a chance.
Bay equipment here in offshore on the Epic from Ron Hoover.
What you got? Oh, little Huachinango.
Little one.
The cacahuate. Baby.
Going back to mama.
Let him go back to mama. What you think, Vicki
Pretty
Lynn?
good. Enjoying SPI on this beautiful Epic boat. A little bit bigger on this light tackle.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice snapper, Vicki Lynn. Good job.
So what do you got?
Hopefully it's a nice
Big fish. Oh, pulling on that line.
Get him, girl.
Gotta put the back into it.
Crystal, put the back into it. Come on.
That's right.
I'm not seeing your back.
Is this a Ron Hoover-Watchanango?
This is a Ron Hoover-Watchanango on the Epic with Hector and Crystal. Woo!
Can you tell us where you're fishing?
No. Am I gonna tell you?
Can't be giving away spots.
What? It's the girl spot.
It's the girl spot.
It's the girl spot. That's all I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, baby.
Woo!
Tell me with that Ron Hoover.
Ron Hoover Epic Boats. Woo!
Another red snapper, I think.
Nice.
Woo. On the old faithful right here, look at that.
Hector, this boat was clean when we got on it today. It's already a mess.
Oh, it's always a mess on my boat.
But you know what, man? I love the decking on this boat. It's gonna be so easy to clean, huh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
How do you clean it?
Just a light scrub and detergent soap, and that's it.
And it, you know, all these, all the storage that it has, man, it's nice. Is this rod holders? Is this, what are these things?
Yeah, actually, these storage bins, they're actually insulated, so when you...
Let me see that fish.
There you go, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
I got it.
When you're offshore
Nice
fishing,
snapper.
you can throw the fish into the storage. And
Right.
they're insulated, so just ice it up, throw the fish in there. Or you can, you're in fishing in the bay, you can use it as a rod storage.
I don't have that on my boat. I tell you what, most boats don't have that, and
Yeah.
that's really, really
So
nice.
I like to see it as a locker, and I like to see it as a fish box and storage.
Now, I'll tell you another thing, that if you put your rods in there, you can even lock them.
Oh,
They
yeah,
got
yeah.
lockable
Yeah, they have
hatches.
Yes,
I've
that's
never seen that before. I think that's so ingenious. Whoever thought
Oh,
about
yeah.
that
Yeah.
deserves a couple of bucks, because
You gotta take care of your equipment.
well, you can just, you know, you want to go out to eat, you want to go do something, you
That's
throw your
right.
stuff in there, and you forget about it.
Yep.
Man, I think that's awesome.
Yep.
So far, this boat has fished really nice, very comfortable. For the most part, I'm dry, even though it's, you know, there's a few little waves out here, not a lot, but a few little waves. And super nice. How long have you had your boat?
This will be my second month with it, and I'm extremely happy with it. I totally recommend it, especially if you do some light offshore fishing. It's great in the bay. The reason I got in this boat is that I've been doing guiding for about 11 years now, and I'm in it for the long run. So I want to take care of myself, you know, especially your back. It's a super comfortable boat, very smooth. You can go to fish deeper waters. You don't have to go around them. You just go straight to your mark, point, straight back, and that's it.
Look, it's 5 of us here today, and I don't feel crowded. I think we all have our own space.
Yep.
And you know, you got your casting platform in the front, you got one in the back. The seats are comfortable. Man, I think we need to sell some of these boats, man. I think Ron Hoover's gonna do well with these boats.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You know, I totally recommend it. Check one out. Get on it. If you want me to give you a ride on it, call me up. Captain Hector Lopez. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp 956-579-1199. I want to give a shout out to Jerry Santana over at Ron Hoover. Reach out to him. He'll take care of you too.
Give me 5, brother.
Right.
Love it. Oh, look at this fish, man.
Crystal's hooked up. Crystal's hooked
Oh,
up.
we got
Look
it.
at
Crystal's hooked
Oh
up.
my God.
Crystal's got one.
Okay, Crystal, better not be no catfish.
I hope not. Red snapper, red snapper, red
Better not
snapper.
be no catfish.
Here we go.
Woo!
Go.
That's a keeper.
Love the boat. Spacious.
Oh, I love catching fish. Oh.
Is it a monster?
I don't know about a monster, but it's better than anything I've caught today so far.
Our little angler Arabella always called them the monsters. It's a
Look at that.
monster.
Ooh, yeah.
The Texas Outdoor Lifestyles way.
No, I think I need to get a little more drag.
Oh, put some back into it, as Hector says.
Yeah? Ron Hoover Epic Boats Huachinango coming up. Just watch.
Man, that sucker's way down there.
Hey, Jerry's got us hooked up on fish right now. Look at that. Oh, showing us how to do it. Oh, that's a good one, Vicki. I see color.
Let me see. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Texas Outdoor Lifestyles on epic boats. Ron Hoover Marine.
Good job, honey.
Oh, yeah. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles at its finest.
Texas Outdoor Lifestyle.
Oh, yeah.
You know, we're living that lifestyle. Napas to boot.
Woohoo! Got me some. Texas Outdoor Living. Thank you, Ron Hoover.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it is.
I can feel him.
Do it, baby.
Woo!
Look at that, lady.
Good job.
Okay, some great epic fishing at the Ron Hoover boat. Woo! Texas Outdoor Lifestyle. Getting me another one.
Texas Outdoor Lifestyle, get you some.
Oh yeah!
So you guys did awesome on the Epic?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Woo! That's a nice, nice Huachinango.
What you got, Vicki Lynn?
We're on light tackle again.
Man, you're giving them a chance.
Out in the ocean. Light tackle.
G. Loomis, Stella.
G. Loomis, Stella. Screaming.
What you got?
On the Epic.
Oh
Ron
my
goodness. Okay, Hector.
Gotta do it.
How am I gonna put my back into it?
Put it back.
Wow! I see color. What is it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh!
A trigger fish.
Trigger. Look at those lips.
Trigonometry.
Look at those lips.
There you go.
Hey, well, we've had an epic day out in the ocean, and we are gonna go catch some redfish and trout inland. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hallelujah!
Get you some.
Go.
Don't go away, we'll be right back after a word from these fine sponsors. Boats, the luxury boat on the water.
Just like every building needs a strong foundation, the same is true for Lone Star National Bank. The strength of our roots is what transforms plans and ambitions into reality. Having a strong foundation gives us the strength to change lives, to transform communities, and to build for generations to come. At Lone Star National Bank, we believe in creating lasting relationships with our customers, one generation at a time. For 35 years, Lone Star National Bank, the Valley's bank.
Welcome back to Texas Outdoor Lifestyles.
This is the second half of our outdoor offshore inshore adventure. So, what are we doing now on this epic boat?
Okay, so now that we got our red snapper limit and we do a little bit of offshore, we're inshore now. We're in the bay and we're gonna try to catch some trout and some redfish now. And we're fishing about 2 feet of water. So this epic boat, you can go offshore, you can come inshore and fish the shallows, and you know, you can do both, best of both worlds, you know?
Yeah, so coming from 70 feet of water, we're in 2 feet of water now in this awesome epic boat. So let's see what we catch now. We're gonna try to catch some reds and some trout and whatever else. Hopefully no catfish.
Yeah.
Hopefully no catfish. So don't go away, we'll be right back.
Nice fishing at an epic boat from Ron Hoover.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a real good one.
Fish on.
There you go, nice trout.
Nice trout. All right, we gotta catch some more. Crystal is hooked up. Let's see if she can get her bay fish. What is it? Ooh, a little trout. All right. Flip him on the boat, right?
There you go.
Huh? How did that feel?
Great.
Fishy, fishy.
Here, fishy, fishy.
Okay, so this baby's a little too small, so we're gonna throw him back, let him grow. Oh, red fish.
Sure doesn't have whiskers, it's gonna go.
Oh my God, it better not. I sight casted him.
You saw him. Is that the one you hit over the head close to the boat?
I did. I sight casted him.
Knocked him silly?
Yeah. Okay. I don't know if I should move him up here. Last time I did that, I lost him.
There we go. Yeah. Good job. Vicki Lynn.
From red snapper to redfish.
That's it.
Trout.
Yeah, that's right.
No, it was red snapper, trout, no redfish. Oh, get you some.
Oh man, that thing's huge.
Look at that.
Good job, Vicki Lynn.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, got some more. I'm on the board.
Don't go away, we'll be right back after a word from these fine sponsors.
For 35 years, Lone Star National Bank has grown along with our customers. Together, we have helped transform South Texas, raised families, and planted roots to create opportunities that benefit not the few, but the many, to plan and build for a better tomorrow, to imagine what is possible. That is how you build strong communities and the strong bank, one generation at a time. For 35 years, Lone Star National Bank, the Valley's bank.
lifestyles.
Well, you guys, what an epic day on the water today on the epic Ron Hoover Epic Boats. This is what you get, guys. We went offshore, got all these snapper, plus we went inshore, got a few reds and trout. So this is what you can do on the epic, guys. Hector, thank you for taking us out.
You're welcome.
Matt, thank you for driving the other epic boat. We had 2 boats out here, you guys, and it was awesome. What do you girls say?
Oh, it was epic!
There's not a lot of boats that you can go catch red snapper and on the same day come in and catch some trout and reds.
Exactly, yes, and that's what's so special about this.
It's an extremely versatile boat. It ate up the chop extremely well. Coming back from the North Rocks, we were going against the waves. It ate the chop right up. And
awesome.
Great boat.
Yes, great boat. And if you guys need a guide, be sure to contact Hector. All of his information is at the bottom of the screen. Get you some!